Good day, good people. Today I'm going to install the Angular CLI in our .NET Core Angular project and use their commands to create a new component. So I'm going to come to their GitHub page, the Angular command line interface GitHub page, and copy this command, which is going to install the Angular CLI globally. I will come over to Commander, open up a project using code dot in Visual Studio Code. I will go to View, Integrated Terminal, and I will paste that command in to install the Angular CLI globally. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go back over to the documentation page and find the command to create a new component. So under this, in this little table here, you can see the commands you can use to create all these common Angular files, but I'm going to use this ng component, my new component command. So I'll copy and paste that, come back over to Visual Studio Code, and what we want to do is drive down into the client app directory into source and app where our other components live. So cd client app, cd source, cd app. And in here I will paste this new component, and I'll just leave it called my new component. And what that's going to do is it's going to scaffold out component.html, component.spec.ts, component.ts, and component.css. And it registered the component in app.module.ts, as we can see right here. So that's a quick, convenient way to scaffold out a new component, and it fills in some of the TypeScript for you, builds a test file, and starts your class, which is very convenient. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.